Are you ready to dive into the heart of the Paris Olympics 2024? The Paris Olympics is fast approaching, and its preparations are redefining the standards of excellence. But what sets this Olympics apart from all the rest? Join us as we delve into the intricacies of the Paris Olympics 2024, where innovation, sustainability, and athlete welfare take center stage. In this video, we'll explore three key elements that define the essence of the Paris Olympics: the athlete's village, the Aquatics Center, and the River Seine's pivotal role. From state-of-the-art facilities to innovative logistic solutions, get ready to uncover the magic behind this iconic event. The Paris Olympics, poised to be a monumental event in the history of international sports, is making significant strides in its preparations. At the heart of these preparations is the Athletes' Village, a state-of-the-art facility designed to accommodate the world's finest athletes. Nestled between the scenic locales of Saint-Ouen, Saint-Denis, and El Saint-Denis, the Athletes' Village promises not just functionality, but also an aesthetic appeal. Its strategic location ensures easy accessibility while offering the athletes a serene environment, conducive to relaxation and focus. The proximity to the Seine adds a touch of natural beauty to the surroundings, making it an ideal setting for the world's best athletes to converge. The Athletes' Village, envisioned as a cornerstone of the Paris Olympics 2024, represents a marvel in modern construction. Its creation is not just about erecting buildings, but about crafting a space that embodies the spirit of the Olympics: unity, excellence, and determination. The Athletes' Village, while primarily constructed to provide accommodation for the participants of the Paris Olympics 2024, is a microcosm of the Olympic spirit itself. It goes beyond mere housing, offering a holistic environment that caters to both the professional and personal needs of the athletes. Understanding the importance of continuous training even during the event, the village is equipped with cutting-edge training facilities. These aren't just generic gyms or tracks. They are specialized spaces designed in consultation with sports experts to ensure they meet the specific requirements of different disciplines. From resistance pools for swimmers to simulate open water conditions, to high-altitude chambers for endurance athletes, every facility is tailored to offer the best training experience. After grueling training sessions, athletes need spaces to unwind and rejuvenate. The village offers a plethora of recreational areas, from lush green parks for a leisurely stroll to meditation zones for mental relaxation. Additionally, there are cultural hubs within the village where athletes can immerse themselves in French art, music, and literature, offering a slice of Parisian life. One of the standout features of the Athletes' Village is its seamless integration with the surrounding urban landscape. Instead of being an isolated enclave, the village is designed to be an extension of the city itself. Athletes can step out and explore local cafes, artisanal shops, and historical landmarks, allowing them to experience the rich cultural tapestry of Paris firsthand. This design philosophy ensures that while the athletes are in a foreign land, they never feel alienated. Instead, they become a part of the city's vibrant community. While the Athletes' Village stands as a beacon of cultural immersion and holistic athlete welfare, another architectural marvel dedicated to the Paris Olympics 2024 is taking shape: the Aquatics Center. This facility, much like the village, is not just a functional construct, but a symbol of the grandeur and spirit of the Olympic Games. The Aquatic Center, located in the heart of the Plan Saunier, is a visual spectacle. Its exterior design, while modern, resonates with the fluidity and dynamism of water sports. Large glass facades dominate the structure, allowing natural light to flood the interiors and offering spectators a clear view of the competitions inside. The centre's strategic positioning, facing the iconic Stade de France, is accentuated by a footbridge spanning the A1 autoroute. This footbridge not only serves as a functional connector between the two venues, but also as an architectural statement, symbolizing the interconnectedness of the Olympic spirit. Designed by the renowned firm Schleich Bergermann Partner and Venhoven CS, the Aquatics Center is a blend of aesthetic appeal and functional brilliance. The center is designed to be a versatile space, capable of hosting a myriad of aquatic events. From the precision and grace of diving competitions to the intense dynamics of water polo matches and the synchronized beauty of artistic swimming, the facility is equipped to handle the diverse requirements of each sport. This versatility ensures that spectators get to witness a wide array of events, all under one roof. One of the standout features of the Aquatic Center is its two 50-meter pools. The covered pool offers athletes a controlled environment, free from external elements, ensuring consistent conditions for competitions. On the other hand, the open-air pool provides a unique experience, where athletes can compete under the open sky, adding an element of nature to their performance. This dual setup not only ensures versatility in hosting events, but also provides options for training sessions, allowing athletes to choose their preferred environment. Beyond the main pools, the Aquatic Center boasts a dedicated diving pool. Designed to meet stringent international standards, this pool ensures the safety and comfort of divers as they execute their high-flying maneuvers. Similarly, the water polo arena is crafted to cater to the specific needs of the sport, from depth variations to clear demarcations, ensuring fair and exciting matches. Recognizing the importance of rigorous training, the Aquatic Center is equipped with state-of-the-art training facilities. These spaces, equipped with advanced technology like resistance jets and video analysis tools, allows athletes to refine their techniques and strategies. Whether it's perfecting a dive or analyzing stroke mechanics, these facilities ensure that athletes have everything they need to prepare for their events. The life of an athlete at the Olympics isn't just about competition and training. It's also about relaxation, strategy discussions, and mental preparation. To cater to these needs, the Aquatic Center houses specifically designed lounges and relaxation areas. These spaces, adorned with comfortable seating and calming aesthetics, provide athletes and coaches with a serene environment to strategize, reflect, and rejuvenate. The Seine, Paris's iconic river, has always been at the heart of the city's cultural and historical narrative. As the Paris Olympics 2024 approaches, the Seine is playing a pivotal role, not just as a backdrop for the spectacular events, but as a crucial logistical aid in the construction process. With the ambitious target of halving carbon emissions compared to the London Games, the public body responsible for delivering the Olympic and Paralympic constructions and renovations, Solido, has turned to the Seine as a sustainable transport solution. Over 500,000 tons of rubble from the construction of the Olympic Village were removed via river barge. This approach not only reduced the carbon footprint, but also avoided approximately 27,000 truck journeys, significantly reducing road congestion and pollution. The Seine's role wasn't limited to waste removal. A significant portion of the prefabricated wooden structures for the Olympic Village's buildings was transported using the river. Additionally, concrete production plants situated along the Seine were supplied with essential materials like sand and gravel via the river. This utilization of the Seine for major construction projects is unprecedented, showcasing the river's untapped potential as a logistical asset. Historically, the Seine was a bustling hub for freight transport. However, from the 1960s onwards, there was a decline as road transport took precedence. The Paris Olympics 2024 has reignited interest in river freight, with the French government and the French Waterways Authority endorsing its benefits. Beyond logistics, the Seine is set to be a star attraction during the Olympics. The opening ceremony, breaking from tradition, will utilise the Seine as its stage, spanning 6 kilometres from the Pont d'Austerlitz to the Eiffel Tower. This innovative approach promises a visual spectacle, integrating the city's natural beauty into the Olympic celebrations. The city's approach to the Games is rooted in sustainability and fiscal responsibility. A significant shift in the emphasis has been observed, with 95% of the venues in Paris either being existing structures or temporary installations. This strategic decision not only reduces the environmental impact, but also ensures that the city doesn't grapple with white elephants post the Games, structures that are built for the event but have little to no use afterwards. Renovations breathe new life into older venues, ensuring they meet the standards required for the world's premier sporting event. By rejuvenating these structures, Paris is preserving its rich architectural heritage while ensuring they serve a modern purpose. This approach is not only cost-effective, but also resonates with the city's ethos of blending the old with the new. On the other hand, temporary constructions offer flexibility. They can be set up to meet the specific requirements of the Games and can be dismantled afterward, ensuring that the landscape of the city isn't permanently altered. These structures, though temporary, are designed to offer the same quality of experience as permanent venues. And that's it, folks. Thank you for watching, and make sure to hit that subscribe button to not miss out on any future videos from us. Au revoir.